The way a home feels often comes down to the small details. Clean floors, clear air, and a space that doesn't carry yesterday's dust into today. That's where the right vacuum makes all the difference. A good machine shouldn't just remove visible dirt. It should work with your lifestyle, glide through different floor types, handle pet hair without jamming, and leave the air cleaner than it found it. The best ones don't interrupt your day. They quietly become part of it. This list was created with exactly that in mind. We looked at suction power, ease of use, smart features, and long-term reliability to narrow it down to the models that actually improve the cleaning experience. And if you're ready to upgrade, all the links to these vacuums are listed in the video description. Check them out while they're still available. Number 5. Smoture VAC01. The Smoture VAC01 brings together strong suction and smart functionality in a compact and easy-to-handle package. With a 550-watt brushless motor generating 45 kilopascal suction, it offers enough power to handle everyday dust, pet hair, and deeper carpet debris without straining. What stands out immediately is how this level of performance has been packed into a cordless design, making it easier to maneuver around corners, upstairs, and across tight spots without feeling tethered. It includes 4 suction modes, allowing you to clean everything from rugs to hardwood in a single pass. The included LED touch screen makes interaction more intuitive. You can toggle between eco, standard, boost, and auto mode with just a tap. When in auto mode, the vacuum adjusts suction power automatically when it senses a transition to carpeted surfaces, ensuring that no deep dust is left behind. There's no need to slow down to change settings. The device does the thinking, so you stay focused on getting the job done. The display also keeps you updated on battery life and performance status, eliminating guesswork mid-clean. Practical design choices are everywhere. A self-standing feature lets the vacuum remain upright wherever you pause, which is helpful when cleaning in stages or multitasking. The battery is removable and charges separately or while docked, and the wall-mounted dock provides a sleek charging option that doubles as storage for accessories. The inclusion of aromatherapy tablets and a washable HEPA filter system also shows attention to user comfort and air cleanliness, giving your home a fresh scent while reducing allergens. While the runtime can vary depending on the mode, users typically get between 20 to 60 minutes per charge, which is ample for small to mid-sized homes. The variety of included accessories, from a crevice tool to a mini brush for upholstery, enhances its versatility across different spaces. For those looking for strong cleaning power combined with portability and thoughtful features, the VAC01 offers a user-first experience that feels both simple and efficient. Number 4. Shark Stratos IZ862H. The Shark Stratos IZ862H is engineered for people who expect more than just surface cleaning. Its CleanSense IQ feature detects hidden particles and adjusts suction power in real time, letting the vacuum focus energy precisely where it's needed. This level of responsiveness makes a noticeable difference when moving between different zones in the home. From entryways with high foot traffic to low shed rugs, the vacuum adapts automatically and shows you through the onboard indicator when your floors have reached a clean state. Its dual brush roll system, powered by Duo Clean PowerFin's Hair Pro, ensures that the vacuum digs into carpet fibers while staying gentle on hard flooring. Pet hair, long strands, and daily debris are collected efficiently without requiring multiple passes. What adds even more convenience is the self-cleaning brush roll, which eliminates tangles and reduces the need for maintenance after each use. The odor neutralizer cartridge also works in the background to reduce the smell of pet dander or musty corners, making your space feel fresher after every clean. Another smart touch is the flexible wand that allows you to reach under low furniture without kneeling or pushing objects aside. When you're done, the wand folds down neatly for easy storage, allowing the vacuum to stand on its own in a closet or corner. The HEPA filtration system, paired with Shark's anti-allergen complete seal, captures over 99.9% of airborne particles, keeping fine dust and allergens from escaping back into your home during cleaning sessions. Battery life ranges up to 60 minutes in eco mode, and the detachable battery can be charged on or off the device, making it easy to top up between sessions. The real-time LED display provides control over suction levels and battery usage, so you can plan out your cleaning routes without disruption. With strong suction, automatic adjustments, and ergonomic design, the Stratos Cordless delivers smart, powerful cleaning that simplifies even the busiest routines. Number 3. Dreame R20. The Dreame R20 takes cordless cleaning to a higher level through a mix of a high performance and intelligent features. It delivers 190 air watts of suction, which places it among the most powerful stick vacuums in its class. This strength translates directly into efficiency when cleaning both carpets and hard floors. Whether you're picking up grains of sand, pet fur, or dense clusters of dust under beds, the R20 ensures it all goes into the bin without hesitation. Combined with a 90-minute maximum runtime, it's a reliable tool for covering large areas on a single charge. One of its most distinctive advantages is the dual brush head system. The V-shaped multi-surface brush agitates dirt in thick carpet, while the soft roller takes care of smooth surfaces without scratching. The vacuum automatically adjusts power based on how much dirt it senses, and the bright LED lighting at the front of the head helps identify dirt and crumbs that would otherwise go unnoticed. This attention to precision makes every pass count, especially when working in dim corners or along baseboards. Usability is reinforced by a set of helpful attachments. The bendable brush and flexible adapter allow you to reach above cupboards or under sofas without contorting your posture. There's also a mini motorized brush for upholstery and pet bedding, as well as a wide tool for broader surfaces like curtains or vehicle floors. The 5-layer filtration system adds another layer of value, ensuring fine dust and allergens stay locked inside the machine, not floating back into your breathing space. While it comes packed with accessories, the vacuum remains easy to handle due to its lightweight design. Swapping out the battery is also seamless, so users with backup packs can double their runtime instantly. The Dreame R20 is made for households that value quiet, deep cleaning with advanced controls, and it delivers on that through its thoughtful balance of power, adaptability, and comfort-driven engineering. Number 2. Shark Clean and Empty Cordless BU3523. The Shark Clean and Empty Cordless BU3523 is a vacuum that delivers a near hands-free cleaning experience from start to finish. One of its most defining features is the auto-empty system that clears the dustbin each time the vacuum returns to its dock. This not only saves time, but also eliminates the need to handle debris directly, keeping your hands and home cleaner in the process. The sealed HEPA filtration traps particles down to 0.3 microns, so the air stays free of the allergens and fine dust kicked up during regular cleaning. Its design emphasizes convenience without sacrificing performance. At 30% lighter than the Shark Vertex Pro, the vacuum offers effortless maneuverability through tight spaces, upstairs, and along edges. The removable handheld mode includes a powerful motorized tool designed specifically for pet hair, giving you focused cleaning for furniture, bedding, and car interiors. LED headlights on the floor nozzle improve visibility in dark areas, helping you see and clean under sofas, cabinets, and corners with greater accuracy. The brush roll system automatically adjusts to different floor types, optimizing rotation speed based on surface resistance. This ensures a consistent clean whether you're on plush carpet or sealed hardwood. A dedicated quiet mode even lets you delay the auto-empty function if you're charging the unit in a shared space or during quiet hours, adding another layer of thoughtful design for real-life use. Runtime reaches up to 40 minutes, which is well balanced for multi-surface cleaning in small to medium-sized homes. Included accessories such as the crevice tool and motorized brush expand the vacuum's functionality across different zones. The system's intelligent dust sealing, combined with its easy charging dock, creates a workflow where cleaning feels automated and efficient rather than manual and repetitive. For anyone looking for a vacuum that combines strong performance, automatic maintenance, and clean air delivery, the Shark Clean and Empty sets a new benchmark for home vacuum systems. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect Plus. Leading the pack is the Dyson V15 Detect Plus, a high-performance vacuum that fuses cutting-edge sensor technology with exceptional suction power, delivering a deep, intelligent clean for every corner of your home. 2 premium cleaner heads, the digital motor bar and fluffy optic, work together to address every type of flooring and debris. The motor bar handles thick pile rugs and stubborn particles, while the fluffy optic reveals dust you wouldn't normally see with a precisely angled laser, allowing you to clean based on visibility, not just assumption. The machine dynamically adapts suction power in real time based on the type of floor and the amount of dust present. This is controlled by an onboard piezo sensor that counts particles and displays them on an LCD screen, letting you track progress and know exactly what the vacuum has picked up. It also shows remaining battery life down to the second, giving you confidence to complete your cleaning route without needing to rush or recharge halfway through. Attachments included are tailored for modern needs. The hair screw tool is excellent for pet beds, stair treads, and soft surfaces where hair tends to collect. The main body detaches into a handheld unit for detailing upholstery or reaching into tight corners of vehicles. It also comes with a docking station that stores and charges the vacuum conveniently, ensuring it's always ready for the next session. The battery provides up to 60 minutes of runtime under normal use, and the power trigger conserves energy by operating only when engaged. Air quality is another strength of the V15. Its whole machine HEPA filtration system captures microscopic particles, expelling cleaner air and reducing indoor allergen levels. Built from durable materials, the vacuum is designed to last through heavy use while staying light enough to handle comfortably. For households with pets, children, or high cleaning demands, the V15 offers a comprehensive feature set that feels both powerful and precise, adapting intelligently to the rhythm of your home. Choosing the right vacuum isn't just about suction, it's about how it fits into your space, your pace, and how much effort it saves you in the long run. From cordless flexibility to smart sensors and automatic dust disposal, each of these models brings its own approach to making cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. All the links to these products are in the video description, so don't miss the chance to see which one fits your needs best.